Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the official music video of BINI with their new song entitled Salamin Salamin. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one because this is their new music video. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to BINI, just check on my channel. So check natin. They just dropped this music video a few days ago. Wow, ABS-CBN. Ooh, makulay na makulay ah. Salamin salamin. Maloy. Ang cute. Ganda ng song nila. Ooh. Stacy. Aya. Ang laki talaga ng improvements nila, lalo na yung ano nila, oh. Dating, ang ganda-ganda, kulit din, oh. Ooh. Wow, Joanna. Ang cute. Iba-iba dating ng mga music video nila ngayon sa parang well-budgeted na. Sheena. Ooh, Gwen. Mika. Wow. Ang cute. Guys, ang ganda ng ano nila sa music video. Parang nag-i-improve na talaga yung music video nila. Yung quality ng video, ang ganda. Para siyang ano, parang mga Korean na videos. Ang ganda din nila tingnan. Yung outfit nila, cool na cool. Yung looks nila, talaga ang laki ng ipinagbago at ang laki ng improvements ng BINI sa ano nila. Yung physical nila, lalo silang gumaganda. Ang ganda din ng songs, guys. So it's upbeat and it's really catchy, so it's really nice that they have this new song, and especially for this new music video. Parang ang cool na cool lang nila tingnan. Ang sarap kasi nila panoorin kasi aside from the fact na ang galing lang kumanta, sumayaw. Wow guys, mga mukha pa lang nila parang ganadong-ganado ka na maka tumutok sa music video nila. Ang ganda ng concept nila. Ang ganda nila ngayon sa kaya dapat talaga suportaan natin yung BINI guys kasi visual, talents, walang tapon. Ang cute talaga nila tingnan, no? Ang cute din ng ano nila guys, yung dance steps nila. Hi Blooms. Wow, Mika, Stacy. Ang ganda ng rap nila ah. Grabe sumaloy, oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Natumpa yung camera. Galing daw ng video transition sa ang effects din. Girly na girly. Salamin-salamin sa dingding. Ang ganda ng music video nila. At ang cute din nila. Ooh. Nice. Oh. May pinadeliver sila. Butterfly pang nagdala. Mailbox. Ang cute ng music video nila. Ang ganda. Nakakatuwa sa tingnan sa. Ang galing. Galing na paggagawa ng music video. Yung quality, parang well budgeted. Yung dance steps, so cute. Ang gaganda nila, yung outfit nila, bagay na bagay sa kanila. Wow. Kakatuwa yung music video nila. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the official music video of BINI with the song entitled Salamin Salamin. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now!